We have added a new report in your list of base reports for invoicing to make invoices a little bit easier to see in your system. Just for a quick review, how I got here was reports and then reports again and then drop down. Then as you'll notice here in the list of base reports, you will now have your invoice detail report here. And just as you always would, you can set up your report depending on how you want your data to appear and how you want your data to be sorted. So if you wanted to look at invoices by a date range, you could. So for this one, I am going to say this quarter. And you can also isolate by locations, charge type, invoice number, client name, business name, policy number, the amount. And you can even make it give you a sum total for all outstanding invoices if you'd like by clicking the sum total box here just for review. And you can also isolate by the user that did that particular invoice, whether that invoice was void or not, whether it's been paid. And also I could choose to include any comments on the invoice in my report as well. So just to take a look, we'll go ahead and click View Report. And this is what it will look like. So you can see the date of the invoice, the location, what the charge type was, what the invoice number is, the client name, business name, policy number, our amount here on the invoice, whether it was void or not, and whether it's been paid. And as we elected to have the amount on our report, we do see the sum total of all outstanding invoices here on our report. So we hope that you will find this useful at your agency. As always, please feel free to reach out to us via chat or by clicking on the help icon, you'll see ways to contact us as well. So please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.